Financial literacy is the foundation of managing your money well. Let's break down what it actually means to be financially literate. It starts with literacy, not just reading words, but understanding the language of money, numbers, and the systems that manage them. Global studies show that a large portion of the adult population lacks a firm grasp on basic financial concepts like interest or inflation. Financial literacy covers four main pillars. It is about knowing how to track your income, manage debt, grow your savings, and protect your assets. It is important to distinguish between knowledge and wealth. Literacy is the skill set. Wealth is often the result of applying those skills. Understanding compounding is a key literacy skill. It shows how small, consistent actions taken early can lead to significantly larger results over time. As the saying goes, knowledge is the most powerful tool you have to improve your financial situation over the long term. Financial literacy is a journey, not a destination. Keep asking questions and learning. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.